Silver's a poor man's game with a dead end. Over the past month, silver has shown something really tough. This market is starting to look like a poor man's game. We got prices that have gone nowhere for 6 weeks straight. Stackers are strapped in the stagnation. Industrial buyers are slowing down. Check this out. This is from Reuters. 6 weeks of flat silver prices have crushed momentum, and small buyers, you and I, we're the ones taking the hit. Coin shops, bullion dealers, they're reporting fewer walk-ins, fewer new orders, a lot of hesitation. You and I, we're standing on the sidelines. And this isn't just talk. Reuters is showing that silver hit an 8-week low recently. Weak industrial demand weighing on that market. For retail stackers, silver stackers, regular people like you and I, that means being stuck holding this metal that's not moving and the feeling that we've hit a wall. That's the poor man's game in action. When stackers get strapped, everything starts to flatline. Look at this from Mining Visuals. They show industrial demand is really changing. Silver isn't just a store of value. It's a workhorse metal for any sector in on solar panels, electronic vehicles, green tech. Nearly 700 million ounces are going to industry. And here's the problem. When the prices stagnate, these industries hold off. They're just like stackers. They sit on the sidelines. Electronics makers and solar suppliers, they've been waiting for clear signals before placing bulk orders. And that pause, it drags down the market even more. That this is what we end up seeing. And you see it in this chart from Mining Visuals. We got silver's industry's role. It's created 5 straight years of a deficit with demand projected to keep rising in 2025. That means this slowdown is only temporary, but while industry waits, stackers wait as well. We get cold feet too. Look at this from Investopedia. The gap between institutions and retail, big players like funds and trading desks, they could jump in and out of silver instantly. They have the speed, they have the liquidity, and the inside tools to wait for volatility before making their move. That's their power. But stackers like you and I, we don't have that luxury. Once you bought your coins, once you bought your silver bars, you're stuck holding that weight, whether it moves or not. So here's the reality. Silver's stagnation shows why some call it the poor man's game. Industrial demand will return. It's set in place. Institutions will time their entry, but silver stackers like you and I, when we're holding during this stagnant time, we start to lose stackers. People start to give up. They feel like they can't hold out for that long stretch that's needed to hold for silver. Get your own gold. Click that link in the description. Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel, and they're giving away a 10th ounce of gold every month. Click that link down there I left. Don't miss out on that contest.